Okay, so this video is months overdue. There was an issue with like the editing process of this video and some delays with it. I was going to maybe not put this video up, but decided, you know what? I made it. Who cares if it's months overdue? We're still gonna put it up. We had fun doing it, so we hope you enjoy the video. Hi, welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. I know it's been forever since I've recorded, and I will do a video talking about all of that and getting you caught up. But right now, I have Hayden and Skylin with me.
Hi.
And today is September 3rd, and on Tuesday, September 6th, me and my husband are renewing our vows. We are celebrating our 10-year wedding anniversary, 13 years together. So we thought that we would kind of practice the makeup for the day of, but this video is probably not going to go up before then. But anyway, you can see kind of what we're doing, and yeah. We're not going to talk about the products that we have because we've all got different products. We may kind of like show or say something, but we're not going to talk about it or about every single one of them. We're just gonna kind of play, and it's gonna be a chit chat, practicing our day of makeup. So
I'm gonna put this on first. It's a foundation, but I think it matches me well.
And for my look, I'm using the Of Course Color Pop palette.
I'm just using
Natasha Denova.
this thing.
Well, first of all, we got our nails done.
Yeah, we did get our nails done today. Had a girls' day, and so we thought we'd finish the night off with doing our makeup and practicing. So Corey and I met 13 years ago, September 2009, when I visited Oklahoma for a wedding. And Corey and I hit it off right away. Hayden was 2 years old, and then after that week visit, I went back to Delaware, where I was living at the time, finished off my semester of college, and then in December, when the semester was over, decided to move to Oklahoma and be with Corey. And then a year later, Christmas Eve 2010, Corey proposed to me. So we were trying to plan a date to get married. I kept trying to plan around like family from out of state coming to the wedding, so I was trying to plan around that, which got to be very difficult. In the process of planning, I did get my bridesmaids dresses, my wedding dress, had some things kind of already taken care of, just didn't have a date yet. So September 6th, 2012, I woke up that morning and Corey surprised me with a wedding. He put it all together. It was just me, him, Hayden, my best friend Christina, and his brother Cody, who was our maid of honor and his best man. Corey decided to plan that wedding because he was ready to marry me. So he put it on. It was absolutely perfect and beautiful. Family is very important to me. So I've always said, at our 10-year anniversary, let's do like a big celebration, whether it's just like a reception, just get all the family and friends to kind of join in with us and celebrate. And now we're here. It's
Finally happening.
It's 2022, and we are celebrating our 10-year wedding anniversary, and we are doing like the whole shebang. We're putting like a whole wedding on for our vow renewal. We got a venue. We're walking down the aisle again. I got a new dress because my original dress won't fit. We have 3 groomsmen and 3 bridesmaids, and we're having a big wedding reception, the big old cake. We're doing karaoke and have a DJ, a photo booth. So we're doing the whole shebang this time to celebrate with our friends and family, and we're expecting like 120, 125 people to come celebrate with us. So super excited. And now we have Skylin also to celebrate with us. So in the first wedding, Hayden was our flower girl, and Skylin is going to be the flower girl and a bridesmaid.
We got a new dog in January. His name is Hercules. He's a little pug, and he is being very annoying right now. Yeah, we could talk about why there haven't been any videos.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, there's not much more of the wedding to talk about. All right, so at the beginning of this year, I posted like 1 or 2 videos, and I'm pretty sure that on one of those videos I said, this year is going to be different, and I feel it. I'm going to post 1 video every week and keep up with it, blah, 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 blah. 2022 is going to be much better for my mental and physical health and for my channel. And then all of a sudden I stopped. And that's because I went back to work. After not working for 7 months, I was finally released to go back to work. And I went back sometime in February, and it just kicked me. As soon as I went back, I was exhausted every day. It took a toll on me, from being sedentary for 6-7 months, from injuring my knee to getting up and running around with kiddos again. So I got exhausted, and I just couldn't get myself to be motivated for doing a video.
I'm not fixing this.
Don't fix it. Just play, girl. Just play.
Yeah.
Makeup is all about play.
Freckles.
And then I get on these like little kicks of like obsessions. Not obsessions, but I'm just gonna call them obsessions. Fixations. There you go. That's the word, Hayden. I get fixated on certain things. So, I'll get fixated on a show and binge watch the whole thing, or get fixated on a video game. Like, at one point it was Animal Crossing, and then it was Sims, and so my camera got too hot, so we had to turn it off. But during that time, Skylin was just having the time of her life with some lipstick.
You look
So,
like
Ronald McDonald
from The Lion King.
Oh, Rafiki. I was gonna say Ronald McDonald.
Oh, she looks like Rafiki.
So she's just having the time of her life right now with lipstick.
Don't mind me.
In a minute, her face is probably gonna be all pink, but
I don't care.
play, girl, play. I think I was talking about being fixated on some things. So again, I get fixated on some things, and makeup just wasn't what I was getting fixated on at the time. I wasn't in the mood to do it. I was too exhausted, and just sounded like too much work to set up and record and edit. And
Skylin's gonna be the flower girl, and they're just gonna see her come down with this makeup, throwing flowers. This is our wedding makeup.
well,
Nope,
this
no,
is
no,
not your wedding makeup.
Yeah,
Oh.
I know.
She's like, no, definitely not.
Mommy said we could play, so I was
did.
playing.
I did say you could play.
Gosh, so there was like some purple
I actually like that a lot.
left on this brush. Like,
Did it get on you?
there.
Yeah.
So it
Oh,
looks like I have a bruise.
Oh,
like
no.
last year.
Yeah.
Last time.
yeah. During the first wedding, we popped a champagne bottle, and the cork went up, hit the ceiling light or fan. I think it was just a light, a chandelier. Hit the chandelier. Actually, it went through, hit the ceiling, then hit the chandelier, and hit Hayden in the face, right on the nose.
But like a week before
yeah,
the
that
wedding, I was running around the house, and I tripped and fell into a wall, like
The corner of the wall.
And I had a
forgot about that one.
bruise, like right here, this side of it.
Yeah. So she went to the wedding with the bruise, and so we had to conceal it as best we could. And then, of course, at the wedding, she also got hit in the nose.
I've been pretty good about not hurting myself this time, but who knows? There's still
There's time left.
yeah.
There's still a few days.
Or heck, even Skylin could.
I think I put a little bit too much of that on there.
Dad's been
Don't
getting on to
mind
her
me.
for going crazy.
Yeah.
It will be like imagine I'm going to school, and then someone walks up, and then they're like, oh, did you get a sunburn? And then no. And then I'm like, no, I just put lipstick all over my face last night, so now I look like this.
Yep. That's exactly what it's like.
I hope this won't still be on for the wedding?
No, it won't, honey. It'll come off. I am so excited. I'm so glad we're doing this. See, got out of wanting to do it, and now I'm like, I feel good we're doing the video. I'm
Is this
happy.
gonna get you back in it?
I think, yes. I think this is, I started to kind of slowly get back into it, watching more makeup videos, getting myself like worked back up. And then the girls have been like, let's record a video. And so, Hayden, thank you for suggesting that today. One thing is I don't like to record at night because I hate putting makeup on and then having to take it off. I'd rather, show off like the makeup I'm wearing all day. But you know,
But this is the thing where you're practicing to show it off.
yeah, exactly. This needs to be done because what if the day of and my makeup doesn't turn out great? So
It's gotta be done.
it's gotta be done.
Nice. There we go.
Is that better?
Yeah, it helped a lot. Okay, guys. You're seeing normal Skylin again. And I'm happy to see me again.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better, baby.
We're happy to see you too. So I did get this Star Wars collection from ColourPop over the summer, and I had it all set up to record a video, and then it just kept getting pushed back and pushed back and pushed back because I just couldn't get myself to do it. And so finally I just stuck it in my makeup collection. But I do have that collection. Ta-da! Let me see your eyes. Beautiful!
It's just simple.
No,
It's
it's
weird seeing me
perfect.
with lashes though.
Yeah. Okay, so the video heated up again, so I had to turn it off. And in that process, I finished up my lashes, which I will not be wearing these lashes to the wedding. These are just way too big. I didn't want to have to cut my new lashes that I am going to wear yet and mess with them tonight. So I just put regular other falsies on that I had, and then I finished up my lips. Skylin is a little sad because I got onto her, and I apologize that it's gonna take her a minute to warm back up. So, but I love you. I love you. Anyway, you need help? Absolutely. So, do you want to talk first about what you learned? Your critiques on your look? Would you like to critique your look? You don't know? Okay. Hayden, you want to go first?
Sure. So what I would do is definitely less blush. I think I went pretty heavy with that. And make sure that the brushes are clean before I use them.
We'll probably clean them before the wedding.
Yeah, because I got some purple on me, so it looks like I have a little bruise. I think other than that, I'm good.
Yeah. Do you want to go next? Me? So my critique is I'm definitely not going to use these lashes. I'm going to be using the falsies in the style Honey from ColourPop on my big day. Other than that, I think I'm good. I think everything, this is how I want it. I think I want it like this. I think it looks great. I
think Dad'll like it.
I think Dad will like it too. And he specifically bought me this because he loved the color combination of the Of Quartz palette. He loved my smoky eye on the first wedding, and so I'm not recreating it, but I'm still going for a smoky eye. So I'm hoping he's gonna love it.
I'm not gonna use lipstick all over my face. My mommy's gonna do the lipstick.
I'm gonna do her makeup for the wedding, just to be.
I'm gonna use these
Just to make sure you don't cover your face in lipstick.
Yep. But besides a few little mishaps, I had fun doing a video again. So I can't guarantee there's going to be one coming out every week. I just got to get myself back into it. Okay, we're going to show off Hercules before we go because Skyline really wants to show it off.
This is Hercules.
There's Hercules.
He just woke up from a nap.
Because we made him. Him's a fat boy.
Say hi. Hi.
He's a little sausage.
He's so cute. I think he's adorable.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I am so sorry that I've been gone for so long. But, you know, I'm here now. Alright, until next time.
Bye.
No dislikes.
Bye.